and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. I feel like it has been so long since I filmed a video, guys. Like literally it's been forever. But today I have something that I have not given you guys in a long time and I'm super excited about it. But before we get into it, get into this hair. This is my summer hair, y'all. I have worn this wig non-stop since I got it. I'll link it down below if you're interested in it. But yeah, I got this from Amazon, under $40, human hair. All I do is spray this thing with some water, put some mousse on it, and she's good to go. I'm obsessed with it. Honestly, I am. They have different lengths too, and I'm thinking about going and getting me some different lengths, some of the different lengths. This one is the 10-inch, and all I did was I did pluck a little bit of the hairline of the parting space, and then I also cut a little bit of the lace off right here, just to make it lay a little flatter. But honey, I'm obsessed. This is summer all 2020. Anyway, but that's not why we're here. We're here because I have a luxury unboxing for you guys. You guys know we do things on a budget around here. We don't really pay full price for anything, if anything, honestly. So, you know, it's on a budget. But I have a Poshmark unboxing for you, and it's a luxury item, and I want to share it with you guys because I'm really, really excited. I think this seller is dope, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So this is the packaging, and I have to share the packaging with you because I think she did a very good job. So here is the outer packaging, and it says fragile, handle with care. I have it upside down. She's marked it to say fragile. It's taped up very nicely. I literally got this in like 3 days, 2 or 3 days. It was amazing. On the inside, she put the little peanuts to protect everything, which I think is, I didn't even know they still sold the peanuts, but I think that her packaging is amazing. I'm definitely going to link her closet down below because she has lots of luxury items. It's 100% guaranteed authentic, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm just so excited. And then here's the inner packaging. Is this not cute? This is the item that I got from her. So she wrapped this and put this inside there. There was also a note. I don't know what happened to my note. Y'all know I got kids and they be tearing through stuff, so I don't know where my note went. But she did a very nice personalized note. I read it and everything. It was very sweet. So I really, really appreciate the packaging. Like I said, I'll have her closet linked down below for you guys if you're interested. The cool thing is I liked, you know, on Poshmark you can like things. And I always like things even if they're not my size, just because I'm on there looking through style stuff. Like, ooh, this is hot. This is hot. So I like stuff. But these I actually liked months ago, like last year sometime, and they were like super expensive. These I got on the last reduction she said she was gonna do on these. Oh, here's the note. Let me read it. Okay, it just says hello beautiful, and it's just a handwritten note on a little piece of white paper, but that's so sweet to me. Be kind, be courageous, be bold, be brave, be beautiful, be yourself, because the world needs more of who you truly are. The world needs more of your light. Love, Moriah. You are amazing and worthy of love, joy, peace, and happiness just as you are right now. Embrace your light always. I thought that was super, super sweet. So Moriah, shout out to you. Love it. I'll link her Instagram too so you can follow her on Instagram. But here's my packaging. And like I said, I liked this last year sometime, and the price was like up there. Like I can't. Whew, child. I'm so excited. Okay, so comes with the box, the full box, as you can see, that says Celine. I'm so excited. This box is really nice, really sturdy. This is what it looks like. Let's go inside. Okay, I have a dust bag here. This is the Celine dust bag. Really, really nice. Very sturdy, almost like a linen material, but much thicker. And then it is also, well, is it lined on the inside, or is that just the other side of the material? I don't know, but it has some kind of feels like felt on the inside of there. Y'all don't mind my nails. I've actually been enjoying not having them, and y'all know I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not going to the shop to get them done. So, and I've been doing press-ons, but I didn't feel like it. I've, like I said, been enjoying my regular nails. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. You look like you've been in the sun.
Outside playing.
Chocolate. Just chocolate. These little legs is chocolate. Say hi. Look at your hat. What you about to do? Cut our yard? You gonna say something or you just gonna reach for the... Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Popsicle? Hey.
Okay, so these are supposed to be new with tags on them, and I'm super excited. I've been into mules lately, really tough. So when I saw these, I was super, super impressed with them. And here they are. And they do have a bit of scuffing on them, so I don't know about the new without the new with tags. Because they're scuffing at the toe. Don't know if you can see that. Let me get it to unfocus on my face. They're scuffing here at the toe, right there. But they feature this really nice mirrored heel, which has fingerprints all on it, so don't mind that. That's easy cleanup. But they've not been worn on the bottom, so I'm wondering if these were like, I don't know, like a last minute sale or whatever, like a floor model or whatever. But these are a size 41, and you guys know that designer shoes run extremely small, like extremely small, like 2 sizes too small. So these are a size 41. And hopefully they'll fit perfect. She's a 9 or 9.5, and she said that they fit her perfectly, which is my size. So this is what they look like. They're just this really, I hope the color is coming off right. They're this olivey green color. I'm obsessed with these. I think these are beautiful. You do get extra heel taps. I got extra heel taps in here. Here is my Celine card with all of the, like, you know, information on them. Celine has selected the most qualitative skins. Yes, qualitative. That's quality. To create your footwear. So they are real leather. You get all the bougie feel with this. All the bougie feel with this. So I'm going to try them on. Of course, I'll insert clips of me trying them on so you guys can see what they look like on my feet. But I'm going to try them on right here so I can see what they look like. Oh yes, honey, they actually fit perfectly. If they would have been any smaller, then they wouldn't fit my feet. And a 41 is actually supposed to be comparable to a US 11, and I do not wear an 11, but these definitely fit me perfectly, so I'm glad. And what I also like about her listing is that she had all of that stuff detailed on there. Her size, I was able to read that she's a size 9.5, and they fit her perfectly, even though on her listing they say a 41 or a size 11. She's detailed in her description of them so that I knew that I could fit them, which I really appreciate. I'm super excited about it. I love them. This was just a real quick video for you guys. Just another luxury unboxing, a Poshmark unboxing for you. I know I haven't done one of those on my channel in a long time, so I wanted to share that with you guys. My phone just turned off on its own, so I can't show you all the details, but I'll put them up there so you can see how long ago it was that I liked these. I'm a little bummed with the scuffs on the toe, but to be honest, when I wear them, I would probably give them scuffs on the toe, so I'm not too upset about that at all. I think these heels will probably clean up really, really nicely. These are weighted. They are heavy. They feel good. Like, they feel sturdy. They feel really good quality. You can see there's no, you know, glue around these. You can tell a quality shoe, like... And this is that. These are quality, and I'm obsessed with them. Y'all know we're not paying full price for nothing, but $189 I thought was a steal for these. These retail for $1,000, I think. So she not. So I was very happy to get these. So good job, Moriah. I love them. Thank you so much. And I do think that she listed that there were scuffs on them, but I just couldn't see them in the photos. And again, you guys probably won't be able to see them on the footage here, but they do have scuffs on the toe. A little bit, but she here, baby. I'm here. I love these. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out my latest video and hit that bell notification so that you won't miss any time I upload. I love you guys so much. We'll see you next time. Make sure you're washing your hands, still social distancing. Y'all, pause. These cases are getting out of hand yet again. It's not over. I don't know why we thought that, who thought that. People just want to go out and do all the extras. People are still dying. People are still getting sick. You know, y'all, please take care of yourself. Social distance, wash your hands. I've been invited to so many gatherings and parties and stuff, and I'm like, okay, thank you. Not coming. Period. Not coming. But anyway, I just wanted to share these with you guys and share that little bit of information with you guys. I love you so much. Please continue to love on one another. The world needs it. We need it. You know, we need peace, love, and happiness. Okay? Peace, love, and happiness. All the drama in the world. Let's just be happy. Okay? Anyway, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and we will see you next time. Bye.